What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka True Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And as a lot of you have been waiting, we're about to go to the rim shop, and we're gonna check out some rims. Still not decided on what I'm gonna do, but I've been kind of talking to the owner and checking to see what we could do in terms of like a partial sponsorship or something. So go talk to him in person, see how this goes. But yeah, I'm still not sure what I want to do yet. I have these blankets just in case I do get wheels, and that way I can have put the ones that are on now in the car, because they won't all fit in the trunk. That way I won't have to worry about my seats getting too dirty. So yeah, let's go ahead and head on over there. Oh yeah, and if you're not too familiar with what I'm talking about, you can take a look at the last video or two. I'll go ahead and throw those links in the description so you can check those out. But yeah, let's go ahead and get to it. Alright, for the squad, just got here. The guy I was speaking with, he's not here, but he told me who to speak to, so I'm gonna go in and take a look at what they have. Looks like they also run an auto body shop here. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I might have them take a look at my fender from when I had that issue with the tire blowing the first time. So yeah. Okay, so got in there and the owner was not there, and the guy he told me to ask for was not there. Oh, and they do not have a regular showroom. They basically had a tablet with sight on it. So yeah, I'm not gonna be waiting around for him. We go to another place that's pretty close by, see what they got. I might end up just doing the tires, but we'll see. Alright, so just got to this shop here. I haven't looked online to see if they had prices or anything, but this was right down the street. So we go ahead and run in, see what they got, and most likely I'm just gonna get some tires, but we'll see here in a moment. Alright, they about to get me right. Was trying to do it in the bay, but scraped pretty hard going in there, so just gonna end up doing it out here. Let me show you some of the marks if I can here. That is from me. Yeah. It's definitely bald. Not as bad, but it's bald. Wow. Look at that. Bald all around. At least ain't no wire or metal or anything showing. So that's a plus. The back still looks pretty good. Still got enough tread back here. You can see. Bruh, I just cleaned this yesterday. Just yesterday. Look at that. I drove what, 20, 30 miles? At least the rest of it's not dirty yet. It's getting there. You can see a little bit. That's clean. There we go. Got a racing slick and a drift spare. Well, I wouldn't say spare. Burn off, more like it. Gotta do better, man. Gotta do better. Alright, so yeah, pretty much false alarm. Not switching up the wheels yet. If they would have been ready at the other shop, I might have gone with it. There's a couple sets they had that I liked. I wasn't fully sold on any of the sets, so that's why I wasn't too pressed about it. There was one that I was, but it cost a little more than I had hoped to spend right now. But still thinking about changing the color of these. I got it quoted here. Probably gonna be close to about $100 each wheel. And it shouldn't be too bad. But I don't know, still thinking about it. The problem is I don't know what color I would do. That black does look good, so I might do black. I don't know yet, but we'll see. But the next thing might be just a project car. That way I can go full out and mod exactly how I want. But like I said, we'll see. Yeah, but I definitely do appreciate them here at Bent Rim Repair. Didn't really get my wheels repaired or anything because I just got little nicks here and there. I think I'll save that for if I do change the color. Get that taken care of. But yeah, just got the new tires. Getting the alignment, probably gonna be tomorrow because it is getting a little bit late. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So we'll see. This Bentley is so low. I don't know how he even got in there. It don't look like it's bagged. Well, I don't know. Hopefully it's bagged. He didn't air up if it is bagged. But he's coming out. That height is like bagged height. That's crazy. He's barely on it. Oh. There we go. There we go. That's where I scraped at. Those wheels are nice too. Pretty dope, pretty dope. That is dope. Alright, so they got me right. Got it set up here. Yeah, so I'm about to head on home. Start editing this video. Hopefully I make it before it rains. Going to get my alignment tomorrow. Just going home, not going to be doing anything else today. So yeah, that's it. I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, have a good one. Peace.